Today's video will be very quick, but a fun one. We're going to take a look at Kevin Criswell's massive hole saw. You saw my video from yesterday where I showed you how I was going to make my little 6-inch plus 6, 8, 10-inch hole saws. Well, Kevin has taken it to the next level, and just take a close look at this. I think you'll find it really interesting. Turn the volume of the router down a little bit so we can kind of talk through this. So you can see that obviously this isn't just a hole saw, this is a big circle cutter, kind of a cool tool. You can see that he made a slot down the middle so that the center pin is kind of infinitely adjustable. And this is kind of what I'm thinking about making once I get the plunge base for the battery router. I'll still make it a lot smaller because I'm going to keep it for those kind of projects. And then for larger ones, I think I will make a larger one like this for my bigger router. So kind of neat, and you get to see that you can be pretty creative with routers. They are, I think, the most versatile saw that us carpenters can own. Make sure if you want to share a video with everybody here on the channel and you want to send it to me via Dropbox or Google has their Google Cloud, and Apple has theirs. You can put it there and then just share it to me, crpaulk at msn.com. I'll put that in the description down below too, and just share it with me and I'll be able to download it. And also, if you're going to shoot with your smartphone, a lot of people just hold it like that, but remember the format here is like your television on YouTube. So all you have to do is turn your smartphone sideways and it will flip and record in the appropriate format, because otherwise it'll be long and narrow and blacked out on the sides. So anyway, easy to do. Use your smartphone, your small video camera, whatever you have. Make some videos. Tell us what you're doing. Just like Kevin took just a couple of minutes here to do this, and it's a lot of fun. Well, let's all thank Kevin for taking a few minutes to share this video with us by giving a thumbs up down below. Thanks a lot, Kevin. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. Have a great day.